This conference will now be recorded.
The today's topic is already operators are different types of operators and arithmetic operators and relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, okay, and assignment operators. And another one is a special operator. 6 types of operators are available in Python. Today's topic, the new topic is clear what are the bitwise operators are. Bitwise operators. There are the different types of operators are available. What is bit? Bitwise operators are mainly to perform the operations only for bit. The bitwise operators are used to perform the operation only bit. Already you know what is bit? A combination of zeros and ones. The bitwise operators are used to main purpose of the bitwise operators. Bitwise operators are used to perform the operations only in bit level. Perform the operations only bit level. Bit level means bit means what is bits? I don't know that bit. What is bit? It is a binary digit. It is a binary digit. Bit for binary digits are BIT bit. BIT. It is a binary digit. The bit stands for binary digit, either 0 or 1. Binary digit means zero, zeros or ones. Only two values, and either zeros or ones. Binary digit full form zeros or ones stands for the binary digit. The bitwise operators are mainly to perform the operations only for bit level. What are the bitwise operators are? Bitwise operators are different operators. Bitwise operators are, so what is operator? Bitwise operator, and what is the meaning of this operator? And here one bitwise operator is ampersand symbol. One bitwise operator is pipe symbol. One bitwise operator is a cap symbol. What is this symbol? One bitwise operator is a tilde symbol. Now it is this is called as a complement operator. Bitwise complement operator. And it is called as a bitwise exclusive OR operator. Exclusive OR operator. Bitwise exclusive OR operator. It is called as a bitwise OR operator. Bitwise OR operator. OR or logical operator is different. Type symbol is different. And bitwise AND operator. Bitwise AND operator. Logical AND is different and bitwise AND is different. Ampersand AND means bitwise AND operator. Pipe symbol means bitwise OR operator. Cap symbol means bitwise exclusive operator. Tilde symbol means bitwise complement operator. Bitwise complement operator. And left shift means bitwise less than. Bitwise left shift operator. Bitwise left shift operator. And greater than. Bitwise right shift operator. Bitwise right shift operator. These are the different operators. Clear? They are the different types of operators. Okay, different types of. First question: what is bitwise AND operators? Bitwise AND operator. What is ampersand operator? Okay. What is pipe symbol operator? What is a cap symbol operator? What is tilde operator? These are the first. I will explain the four first only. Please for only. What is AND? Sir? What is AND? And bitwise AND. If both the bits are one, both the bits are one, then it returns one. Both the bits are one, it returns one. Otherwise, it returns zero. That is the main. If both the bits are one, then it returns one. Only for the perform the operation, only for bit level. Bit level means a combination of zeros and ones. If both the bits are one, then it returns one. Otherwise, zero. Here, OR operator. If any one bit is one, then it returns one. Okay. Otherwise, zero. Otherwise, it returns value zero. That is the bitwise OR operator. So what is the bitwise exclusive OR operator? If both the bits are differ, not the same, both the bits are differ, then it returns one. Otherwise zero. Otherwise zero. Clear? It is the value 1 or 0. 1 or 0. Both the bits are differ, then it is the 1. Otherwise, the value are 0. What is the complement, sir? Complement means if bit is 1, if it is 1, the result is 0. The result is 0. Opposite, the reverse is 0. The result is 0. If bit is 0, if bit is 0, then the result is 1. This is the major concept of bitwise AND operator, OR operator, bitwise exclusive OR operator, bitwise complement operator. I will explain one by one by programming, through programming. Clear? Now the one by one. So these are the bitwise operators. Symbol. Clear, guys? Up to here, all of you. Clear? Right, Kiran? Sharon? Okay. Durga and Lalita, clear, all of you? Up to here. These are the four bitwise operators: AND, OR, exclusive OR, and complement. Left shift operator and greater than symbols are for the right shift operators. Okay. Now the first one, sir, what is ampersand? Ampersand means bitwise operator. If both the bits are 1, then it returns 1. Otherwise 0. For example, example 1, using to perform the only for the bitwise AND. Bitwise AND. Okay. Example 1. Example 1, to perform the bitwise operations, and for example, the A value equal to 8 and the B value equal to 10. C equal to A plus B means that is the value. Here we are using the operator. Which operator we are using? We are using the operator, the addition operation. Addition operation. Addition operation. A value is perform operation. The A value is 8. Okay. Here the B value is 10. Okay. C value is okay, 8 plus 10, the operation is 18. Here the plus is a arithmetic operator. Plus is a arithmetic operator. It is used to perform the addition. The final result is 18. The final result is 18. For example, if we are using 18 plus operation, okay, it is the value. For example, if we are using here ampersand symbol, not the addition, not the subtraction, not the multiplication, not the division, not the floor division, not the remainder operator, but we are using the ampersand. What is ampersand? Ampersand is a bitwise logical, bitwise AND operator, to perform the operation. For example, the value of 8 is here the A value equal to 8. Okay, first statement. This is the A value. But here the logical operator, bitwise AND operator, perform the operation at bit level. That means 8 value is converting into bit level. So divided by 2. 2 4 are 8, remainder 0. Again the 2 2 are 4, remainder 0. Again the 2 1 are 1, remainder 0. The output is, to write the output is top, bottom to top. That means 1, 3 zeros. The value of 8 is 1 3 zeros. Clear, guys? 1 3 zeros. Now the 1 byte equal to 8 bits. Here one important point. 1 byte equal to 8 bits. 1 byte equal to 8 bits. 1 byte equal to 8 bits. Now here we are using only 4 bits. Only are using the 4 bits only. 1 0 and 0. So you can let 4 zeros 1 3 0. This is the value of 8. Clear? Okay. And the next the value of 10. The value of 10 is again the divided by 10. 2 5 are 10. The value remainder value 0. 2 2 is 4. Remainder value 1. Okay. Again the 2 1 are 1. The remainder value 0. The output is 1 0 1 0. Here the value is 1 0 1 0. Clear? Left side 4 0. Because why? Our left side in this assign jayali. Now the values of left side without any value to assign the value. Here we are using the AND symbol. Sir, what is the AND formula? AND formula is, what is AND formula? If both the bits are 1, then it is 1. Otherwise 0. Both bits 1 is 1. Otherwise 0. Here the both bits are 1. Okay. Here both bits are 1. Here only 1. Here both bits are 1 got 0. Okay, 0. Here 0. Okay, final 0. 0 0 0. So now what is the output? 4 zeros 1 3 0. Both bits are 1. If both the bits are 1, the result is 1. Remaining all case the result equal to 0. So now print the value of C. So what is the value of C? Here the value of C is 18 in the previous example addition, but here value of 1 3 zeros. What is the value of 1 3 zeros, sir? 1 3 zeros. That means 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1, the last class, 2 power of 2, and the 2 power of 3. 2 power of 3 means 8 plus 0 0 0 0 mottham zeros, 8 plus 0 8, and the value of C equal to 8. Clear? And the output. Okay, that was one. Explain just again. A value equal to 8, B value equal to 10, C equal to A and B. What is the value of C? The value of C equal to 8. Clear or not, guys? All of you? Clear? Now this is a bitwise AND operator. This is a bitwise AND operator. Okay. Now using AND operator condition. What is the value of the AND operation? Both the bits are 1 to demonstrate AND value. To demonstrate AND operator. Ampersand operator. Now this is the ampersand operator. So now run this one. Run this command. Now the output equal to A and B equal to 8. Similarly, here we are writing one more example. To demonstrate OR operator. Now the bitwise OR operator. Bitwise OR operator to demonstrate the value is 5 symbol. So now here what is the value of this? Here the value of A. First one A. Okay. The A value is 3 zeros or 4 zeros, 1 3 0. This is the value of 8. Okay. B value is okay 1 0 1 0. Clear. The remaining left side are 4 zeros. Okay, clear. And what is the output, sir? Using operator is here we are using and logical operator. Bitwise OR operator. So bitwise, what is the meaning of the bitwise OR operator? Any one bit 1. What is the meaning of this one? Here any one bit is 1. Bitwise OR. Any one bit is 1, then returns 1. Any one bit is 1, then returns 1. Otherwise, that is the value equal to 0. Okay, now go to the AND example. Any one is 1. Okay, here both are 0. Both are 0. Okay, any one 1, both are 0. Any one 1, both are 0. So here what is the value? What is the value of 1 0 1 0? That is equal to C. C equal to 1 0 1 0. That means the value of 1 0 1 0 equal to 10. The value of 1 0 1 0 equal to 10 by using the logical, by using the bitwise OR operator. Clear? Now print the value. Run. Print of C. The value of C equal to 10 value. The value of C equal to 10. Same example. To run by using the bitwise exclusive OR operator. What is exclusive OR operator, sir? Bitwise exclusive OR operator. Here you are using the cap symbol. Bitwise exclusive OR operator means cap symbol. So now what is the value of the 0 0 0 0 1 3 0? The value of 10 8 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. Okay. Now the output is, what is the exclusive OR formula? The formula of exclusive OR is if both the bits are differ, then returns 1. Different, otherwise 0. Here both the bits are differ. Okay, here both the bits are same 0. Both the bits are same 0. Both the bits are same 0. Here both the bits are same 0. Okay, here both the bits are same 0. Both the bits are same 0. Both the bits are differ. This is 0 and this is 1. Both the bits are differ 1 and both the bits are same 0. Now the output is C equal to 1 0. 1 0 means 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1. The output equal to C equal to 2 answer only. Now run this command. The output equal to 2 only. The output equal to 2. Clear? And one more value, that is the complement. Complement means one is converting into zeros. And one more example. This is second example. And this is third example. Using complement. Complement means okay, to demonstrate complement operator. That is a tilde. Complement operator. Okay, demonstrate means X is converted. Okay, if bit is 1, converting into 0. Bit is 0, converting into 1. Now the value of, for example, A equal to 8. Okay. Print of complement of A. and this is called the end complement operator. Using the minus value also, here it comes the minus value also, comes the complement of A. Once is converting into zeros and zeros into converting into ones, it is called as a complement of complement of A. Clear, guys, up there. Now the next one is by using the another operator that is the left shift operator, less than. It is called as a left shift operator. Left shift operator, bitwise bitwise left shift operator. Bitwise left shift operator. It is used to this operator. This operator is used to shift the n number of cells, n cells. Shift the n number of cells left side, n number of cells left side. Okay. After shifting the right side, after shifting the right side cells fill with zeros. After shifting the right side, cells fill with zeros. This operator is used to shift the n number of cells left side. For example, here a value equal to 8. Okay. A left shift of, for example, this is a syntax. The syntax here variable name less than size. How many number of size you want? That is the n. N is a variable name and less than n. This is what is n? N means n number of cells. For example, here the a value. Here the a value is 4 zeros. This is the a value 4 zeros, 1 and 3 zeros. Now it is stored in the different. It is called as a bit. It is called as a bit. 8 bits equal to 1 byte. 8 bits equal to 1 byte. Now here a less than of 5. A less than of 5 or a less than of 2 or a less than of 6. Any number, n is the number. For example, a less than of 2. Then what happens, sir? A is the value. For example, here a less than 2. Now the value of less than 2 means shifting the value to 2 values. Here zeros, 4 zeros, okay, 1 3 zeros, 1 3 zeros. The value shifting to 2 digits. How many number of digits? The value shifting to 2 digits. That means these 2 digits are shifted to left side. Left side 2 digits are shifted. After shifting, these are the values 0 and this is the value 0 and 1 3 zeros. 1 3 zeros. Clear, guys? After shifting, this is the value. 2 cells are shifted and automatically right side empty cells are available. These after shifting the right side empty cells fill with zeros. This is called as the right side empty cells. The values right side empty cells fill with zeros and these cells are filled with zeros. Now this is the final value. 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1, 2 power of 2, 2 power of 3, 2 power of 4, 2 power of 5. What is the value of the 2 power of 5? This is the value. Remaining all are same. The value of the 2 power of 5. Here the print of A. A means the 2 power of 5. 2 power of 5 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times. 2 into 2, 4 over 16 into 2, 32. Right? The file output equal to 32. It is the completely left shift operator. The values are shifted to the left side. Run this command. A left side up to print the value of A. The print of A. Wait 1 minute. Print of A less than 2. Print the value after shifting. The value equal to 32. Here the value equal to 32. A less than 2 means shifting the n number of cells left side. Clear, guys? And one more example. Same one is repeating this is the left shift operator. The left shift operator. Okay, less than. What is the less than? This operator is used to shift the n number of cells left side. After shifting the right side empty cells fill with 0. The same opposite transaction, it is called as a right shift operator. Same completely opposite. We have a completely opposite value. Here right shift operator. Right shift in place of left shift, we are using right shift. Greater than bitwise right shift operator. It is called as a bitwise right shift operator. This operator is used to shift the n number of cells each side, not left side, right side. After shifting left side empty cells. Left side empty cells fill with zeros. Now here we are using in place of less than, here we are using greater than symbol. Here we are using greater than. That means I will explain one by one. Wait 1 minute. Okay. Now this is called as a right shift operator. For example, the A value is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 3 zeros. Okay, this is the value of A. That means A is divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2, and so on. Now here this is the value. Okay, 8 bits. Here the 8 bits. Okay, 8 bits. Clear. 8 bits. And after 130, here the value is 8 bits. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 3, 0. Now we have to cut the values. We have to cut the right side. Here the value 1, 3, 0. To cut the right side two symbols, two digits. And after shifting which value 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4 zeros. And right side, left side shifting, and right side two empty cells are available. Empty cells are available. These empty cells fill with zeros. This is the final value 1, 0. Now what is the value of the 1, 0? 1, 0 means that is the value equal to 2 from this module. The output is only for 2. It is called as a left shift operator. Clear guys up to here? Okay. Any doubt? Now this is called a left shift operator. Completed. Okay, right. Wait, please. Right, the next one. Here, next one, what are the different types of assignment operators are available? The fifth one is assignment operators. Assignment operators. Okay, assignment operator. So that's what is the value of the assignment operators are? For example, here, assignment operator, for example, A equal to 7. That means A equal to is the assignment operator. Here, what is the value of A? A is a variable name. A is a variable name. What is the 7? 7 is a value. A is a variable name. 7 is a value. And equal to is a assignment operator. Clear, guys? And equal to is a assignment operator. It is a assignment operator. Equal to is a assignment operator. A is a variable. 7 is a value. These operators are used to assign the value to a variable. These operators are used to assign the values to a variable. There are the different types of variables are available. Assignment operators are available. What is the assignment operator? There are the different types of operators. There are the different types of operators are available. Operator and what is the meaning of this operator, and okay, and with the example, one example. I will explain one by one, no problem. Now it is an equal to. Equal to means assignment value, assignment operator. Example, for example, A equal to 7 or A equal to 9. Here equal to, example, this is the example. Equal to, A equal to 9. Here the A is a variable, 9 is a value, equal to is the assignment operator. This operator is used to assign the value to a variable. Clear? And one more, next one. Here the number of value. For example, 1 equal to plus equal to. It is called as a addition assignment operator. Addition assignment operator. That is equal to A plus equal to 5. Or it is also called as A equal to A plus 5. This is the meaning of this one. Meaning, what is the meaning, sir? For example, A equal to A plus 5. That means the previous value, A value is 9. 9 plus 5, 14. The 14 value is assigned to A. One method. Or another method is A plus equal to 5. Both are same. This statement or this statement, both the statements are equal. A plus equal to 5 or A equal to A minus, A plus. Another example, for example, A minus A equal to A minus 25. That is what is the value of this one? A value is 9 minus 25. The value is 14. Minus 14 is some value. Minus 16. Minus 16 that is stored in the A. Or this statement or A minus equal to 25. Both are equal. This is called as a subtraction assignment operator. So here minus equal to subtraction, same as assignment type. Example also, this is called as a subtraction assignment operator, not the addition. Subtraction assignment operator, a minus equal to or a equal to a minus, both are same. The value of a is subtracted to the value, and same as multiplication. Multiplication equal to, this is called as a multiplication assignment operator. Multiplication assignment operator, a multiplication equal to 5 or a equal to a equal to a into 5, both are same. And division equal to, this is called as a division assignment operator. Division assignment operator, division assignment operator, a, okay, a by equal to 5 or a equal to a by 5 both same meaning, or a percentile equal to, this is called as a floor division, sorry, not floor division, this is the remainder, modulo assignment operator, modulo assignment operator, a percentile equal to 5 or some value a equal to a percentile, both the meaning of same, and slash slash, this is called a floor division operator, floor division assignment operator, floor division assignment operator, a slash slash equal to, example 10 or a equal to a slash slash, both are same. And one more percent double star, this is called as a power assignment operator, power assignment operator, and a double star equal to, for example 9 or a equal to a double star 9, that is both are same value. These are called as a assignment operator. In addition with, in the floor, these are also available ampersand. This is called as a bitwise assignment operator. Bitwise assignment operator, a ampersand equal to 5 or same meaning a equal to a ampersand 5, both are same. And or operator, bitwise, this is AND operator, this is the bitwise or operator, bitwise or assignment operator, bitwise or assignment operator, a assignment operator, bitwise assignment operator, some value, any value 8 equal to or a equal to a assignment operator of 8. The value is the, both the compared. And ampersand means, sorry, cap symbol. This means bitwise exclusive or assignment operator. Bitwise exclusive or assignment operator, a cap symbol equal to, for example 3, or both same, a equal to a caps 2, both the assignment operators are same. Left shift, bitwise left shift assignment operator, bitwise the left shift assignment operator, a left shift equal to, example 9 or a equal to a left shift 9, both are same. The value of left shift of 9 digits, the left side is converting into 9 symbol, 9 bits, and same as the bitwise exclusive, bitwise the right shift operator. This is the bitwise right shift operator. These are the operators, greater than. It is called as right shift. Here the values are right shift. So these are the assignment operators. These assignment operators are used to assign the value to a variable. What are the assignment operators available? Equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, a star equal to, by equal to, percentile equal to, double slash equal to, and star equal to, and ampersand equal to, or equal to, exclusive or equal to, left shift equal to, and right shift. These are the bitwise and assignment operator, bitwise or assignment operator, bitwise exclusive or assignment operator, left shift assignment operator, and one more example is the right shift assignment operator. For example, I will explain one by one with examples using these operators. Okay, for example, our example is any one example. You will take any one example. For example, a value equal to 10. Okay, one variable a equal to 10 or some x or y or z, some any value. Okay, print the value of a. Okay, print the value of a. First, a value equal to 10. Now, what is the value of a and See the bottom of the screen. What is the value of A? The value of A is 10. Okay, clear. The next one, A equal to A plus 9. That means the print of A. A equal, this is a, it is a assignment operator. Add the value, and the result is assigned to, that is equal to 19. Clear. Now here in this place we are using A plus equal to 9. That is the value. A plus equal to 9 or A equal to A plus 9, both are same. It is a shortcut form, shortcut method. A plus equal to 9. Majorly it is used in I equal to I plus 1. I equal to I plus 1 badalu I plus equal to 1. I plus equal to 1. Or count equal to count plus 1. Incrementing. Here the count plus equal to 1. The count plus equal to 1. This is called as the addition assignment operator. Here A value is added to 9 value and the result is assigned to 9. Here the value of A is 19. Here the value of A is 19. Okay, clear. And the next one more example, A minus equal to, for example, 3. And the print of 3, print of A, print of A. And the A value is 19. Here the A value is 19. And 19 minus 3, that is 16. The value of A is 16. Clear, guys. And A into equal to 2. 16 into 2, 32, and after printing 32, and print of A, the value is 13, and A slash slash, that means the 32 is divided by, that is equal to 4, and print of A, so I will explain later. And A double star equal to A double star equal to the value, A double star equal to the value equal to, for example, double star equal to, for example, 3, and the print of A, and A by equal to, for example, 3, what is the value of A? Okay. And A percentile equal to 2, what is the value of A? That is print the value of A. Let's explain one by one, no problem. For example, first time, what is the value of A? 10. Okay. Here, this is the output. This is the output. What is the output? What is the value of A? Print of A. Clear. The output is 10, guys. Okay. The output is 10. Next one, what is the value? A equal to A plus 9. That means A plus equal to 9. A plus equal to 9. The value of A value is added to 9. That means the A value equal to 19. Now here, print of A, the output equal to 19. Okay. Here A minus equal to 3. The statement is similar to A equal to A minus 3. A equal to A minus 3. That is equal to A equal to A minus 3 means 16. The output, the print of A is 16. Now the A equal to A into 2. That means 16 into 2, 32 of A. Here this statement, up to this statement, the value of A is 32. And the next statement, print of A, print the value of 32. And the next statement, A equal to A by 4. That means 32 by 4. Now 4 8 32, and the remainder value is 0. Here by means the float value of only for integer part. Here it is the value is integer part. The integer part A value is 8. Okay, clear. Print the value of A is 8. Next, A double star 3. That means 8 to the power of 3. 8 into 8, 64. 64 into 8. What is the value of A? What is the value of A? 64 into 8. 64 into 8, sir. What is the value of 64 into 8? What is the value of A? 512. Okay, clear. The value of A is 512. Okay, here the value of A is 512. Okay, print the value of A is 512. Clear. A equal to A by 3. Again, here the 512 by 3. Okay. Now the value 3 1 3 and 21. 3 7 21. For example, again here 2 0 some value. The value is separated some value. The value equal to 512. Okay, here A by 3. 512. Okay, 512 by 3. Value equal to 170.0. Here the value equal to 170.0. 170.066. That is the value of A. And the next statement is, right, clear? The next statement is percentile value to find the remainder value. What is the remainder value of this one? Okay, now run this module. Clear. up to here. Run the current script. These are the values. Okay, 10 value clear, 19 value, 16 value, 32 value, 8 value, 512 value, 172.66, and the remainder value is only for 0.666. That is the remainder value of the 170.66 value. This is to demonstrate the, this example is to demonstrate the, okay, example is to demonstrate the arithmetic. These are only for arithmetic assignment operators. Arithmetic assignment operators. Same as these are the arithmetic assignment operators. Clear, guys, up to here, all of you. Same as the remaining 5 also. Ampersand or exclusive or left shift and right shift. For example, assume that a value equal to some value 5, any value. Print of a, print the value of a, print of a ampersand assignment operator 3. For example, print of a, okay, bitwise or operator. For example, 5. Print of a exclusive or operator. For example, okay, 9 exclusive or operator, and print of a left shift of 5. Print of a right shift of 8. Here we are using assignment. A equal to. The result is assigned to A. And print the value. These are the values. Okay. Here, 1 minute. Here, A ampersand equal to 3. Into the value of A. What is the value of A? The next statement, A. Here, next statement is A or equal to, here or equal to 5. What is the value of A? The result is assigned to A exclusive or equal to 9. And here what is the value of A? Here A left shift equal to 5. After shifting, A left shift equal to 5. After shifting, what is the value of A? Okay. A greater than right shift equal to 8. After shifting, what is the value of 8? Okay, clear? This is the example. Second example for to demonstrate. Second example to demonstrate bitwise assignment operators. These are the bitwise assignment operator output. These are the invalid. So now perform the comment symbol here. Statement is not executed. This is the value. This is the value. 5, 1, 5, 12, 384, 1. This is the value of the using assignment operators. Clear, guys, up to here, all of you. Now the value of this one is